Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix if your touchpad is not working and the cursor is not showing on your ASUS laptop. Alright, first thing that you need to do here or to try is to simply restart your computer. Another option is by going to your search bar right here by either using an external mouse or by using your keyboard. To do so on your keyboard, just go ahead and hit on tab, the tab key on your keyboard. Press twice until you see that it highlights the search bar. Then once done, just hit on enter for you to be able to type touchpad. Alright, touchpad. Once you see the touchpad, you can either use your keyboard's up and down arrow key to locate the touchpad. Alright, as you can see here, if you are on Windows 11, just go ahead and hit on open. Now once you're in here, just make sure that the touchpad slider is turned on. Alright, if you are on Windows 10, gonna make sure that this one right here, you're gonna make sure that the slider is turned on here as well. All right, and make sure that you tick this one, the leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. And if you want to, you can try these check boxes right here as well. All right, that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.